Alright, so this is my Lego gun. Yeah, at first I was trying to make a python, but it ended up like this somehow. I don't know where I went wrong. But for the design of how it shoots and everything, the mechanisms, this design just turned out to be way better and work better. So yeah, here's the gun itself. Handle, whole bunch of weird attachments all over it. Here's the bullet, and I'm gonna be firing it today. Okay, so bullet, gun. Pull it back. Okay, so it's ready to fire now. And I'm gonna be using a really small little thing for a target. I'm gonna be using this. So let's see how that works. I'm gonna be testing out the iron sights too, see if those actually help. Guess not. But yeah, here's the iron sights. Alright, so I'm gonna try it one more time. You know, because the aim was a little bit wobbly, so this gun's accuracy sucks. So yeah, I'm gonna try it one more time. See if iron sights actually help this time. So yeah, that's my Lego Revolver. No, not Revolver, but I have no idea really what to call this. So I'm gonna make a better version of this later on in a month or so. Like, rate, subscribe, comment if you like this video, and I will see you later.